Kaden, sit down. Sit down. Right.
Can I put this in her cage?
I don't know. Sit down, Kaden.
Just didn't seem like it. No, that's mine.
Oh, watch out. I think she's saying she's tired.
Move it.
He just falls on my lap, over my lap.
Hello. Hello. How are you doing? Come here. Oh, that's a good girl. No.
Here, let her just sit and play.
I bet she likes the stupid ball.
The stupid ball.
Here, let them
Here.
see your face. Let them see your face.
Lux. It's fine.
Caitlin, quit.
Lizzie. Lizzie, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Let's see if she'll sit for you.
Sit.
You gotta make sure you get her attention.
Sit.
Good girl. Yes.
Oh, yes.
Good girl.
Oh,
yes, that's
yes,
a good
yes,
girl.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right.
Give her a treat. Give her a treat.
No, we'll give her one in just a minute. Hi, Lizzie girl.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, pretty girl.
Oh, yeah.
You are beautiful.
Lexi, let me scratch.
You want to go sit and pet her, Kaden?
You're not scratching in
Come
the
here.
right place.
Come here.
Don't jerk her around.
Jerk her.
Let go.
What?
Lizzie, be nice. Good girl.
Girl.
Good girl. Kaden, you want to go sit and pet her?
Thank you. Good girl.
Hi, Petey.
Hi.
Hi, sweet girl.
Hello.
Love you, Lizzie.
Oh, you're such a good girl. Take a picture of her.
All right.